Hello guys, welcome back in today's video. So as you might notice, today's one is a special one because this will be an answer to this following question. So based on the previous video I posted about extracting data from a Word document, so Pab Musasar asked this question: how can we extract pictures from docs? So this is what I'll be showing you on this video. So to be able to do that, we have to install a module called docx. Okay, so in my case I already installed it, so as you might notice, requirements already satisfied. Okay, so after installing this module, I also have to import the module docx. So to import module docx, I import it as D2T. So this is for short of using docx. This is very simple for me in order to make things easier. So you can only use import only docx and use docx as your reference, but in my case I decided to name it as D2T, which is simpler for me to use. Okay, and after that I created a function. So this function's name is extract images from docs, and it takes two parameters. The first parameter, let's say three parameters. Okay, so the first parameter is the path to the file. So this one is the path to the doc file I will be extracting the images from, and this one is the images folder. This is the folder where I want to store all the images after extraction from this file. And this is a third parameter. It's not really, it doesn't really matter, but I just decided to write it. So I wrote get text. The default value is false, which means that if I keep this value, I will not be returning the text. I will be only saving the images. And then when I'll be using, if I decided to extract the text content, I will change the value to true. Okay, so this first expression is it's very straightforward. Okay, so I said duty text and I use docx. Anyways, so I'll change this to D2T process, which takes my two parameters here. I have the path to file and images folder, and here I say if get text is true, then return the text. Okay, so even if I did not have this part, what will be happening is only saving the images to this folder, and I added this part in order to be able to get the text if there is a need. Okay, so I can execute this function, and then so let me show you the doc folder I'll be using. I made a simple modification on the previous docx I used, Obama speech, and I decided to add random images. I took these images from the internet and add them in order to really showcase what I want to highlight here. So this is the file I want to extract information from. Okay, so I declare my two variables, the path to the file, which is the Obama speech docs, and image folder. So I want to show you the image folder to make sure that it's completely empty. As you can notice here, everything is empty. So after running the instruction, after calling the function, I must have images in the folder. Okay, so the first case, I decided only to extract images. In that case, the get text value is still false. So if I don't declare it here, it means that the value is false. So I will be extracting only the images. So I execute this part, and then if I come back in the images, we can see that we have all the images. This is the first image. This is the first image here. Let me show you very simpler. so that you can see it properly. Oops, sorry for that, guys. Very simple. Where is it? Where are you? Where did you go? Okay, how in here? Okay, this is the first image I show you. Okay, and this is the second one, the Python image. This is the third one, NLP, and this is the fifth one. Okay, so I was able to extract all the images from the file. Let's remove all these images again. I mean, I'll delete them all. And now let's say that, let's remove the images and show the second case. Let's say that I want to extract not only images but also the text. Okay, so I just have to make this few change. So get text, and I change the value to true. Okay, and for that, since I return the value, I have to declare another variable. Let's say data equal that, and then what I have to do now is to print data. I print data and I have my text, I have everything. Okay, I was able now to collect not only the text but also the images. If you can remember that we previously deleted all these images and now I have them again. So that's all for your question, Musa. So if other people have questions, feel free to leave in the comments. It will be a great pleasure to help you with. So goodbye.